Hey, what up guys, welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to be doing an oil change on an E46 M3. I know we did one of these before, but we did it with oil temperature sensor replacement as well. So today is just going to be the oil because it's been a while and it's time for a new fresh oil so we can take a good rip through a street. And this is my oil. This is a kit from an Ecs Tunning. I usually get it from them. It's like 80 or 90 bucks including shipping. And it's a pretty good oil because it says it's for supercar. Anyways, let's get it started. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna raise this car up. And to raise it up, it's gonna be a work of art because first I gotta raise up the back a little bit so I can get my jack in the front, and then I gotta move the jack to the front. So it's like 3 lifting points because the car is super low. I know she's a little bit dusty, but doing this next thing.
I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You've been giving nothing.
Alright, just like that, the car is raised and supported on the jack stands. So now we're just gonna drain the oil first. Alright, to drain the oil, there's a little plastic cap right here that you gotta take off. Just like that, pull it back, and you need to use a T40 to get the nut off. Let me show you. There's the beautiful nut. As you can see, everything is nice and dry. Okay, these are fun to take off because the oil will split everywhere. And 3, 2, 1. Not bad. Now that the oil is drained, we're just gonna unplug this by pushing this little pin in, pulling it out, so we can move it to the side. 13mm socket is to get the filter housing open, like that. Okay, screw comes out. Filter housing cap comes off, and the next thing is I'm gonna get my gloves to pull the. All right, got my oil rag. Take this bad boy out. And just like that, I'm gonna let this oil drain, and then I'm gonna use a towel to clean it out. Alright, this is decently clean. Alright, so next thing is we gotta change the O-ring on the bolt, O-ring on the filter housing cover, and also a crush washer. Alright, all the O-rings are pre-installed. Now we'll just put it back to the car. I got a filter. So the filter will make sure nothing fell in there. Good. The filter goes like this. The housing next, like like that. I put a little bit of oil on the o-rings, and this thing goes in with the crush washer, and tighten everything back down. Not to forget to put this bad boy on, just like that, and we're good to go. And then next thing is tighten it to spec and put a drain back in and fill it with oil. The drain plug bolt's got a new copper crush washer, so now we're just gonna put it back and fill it up.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing.
Is all done. I ended up using 6 quarts, and I do appreciate you guys for watching. So if you don't mind hitting that like button and subscribing, I'm gonna have more things on this car, but for right now I'm just gonna go wash her because she's really filthy. She needs a really good car wash, and hopefully I'm gonna clean the engine bay a little bit. So thanks again, and I appreciate the feedback. Thank you.